could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, ah, he got the Velcro. I'm just pumped, I bought some shit from a thrift shop. One man's trash, that's another man's come up.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go through a list of stuff that's sold on my eBay page over the last few months. I'm going to go through what I paid for it and what it sold for, and just to show you guys that you can make a little bit of a side hustle from buying stuff from op shops and thrift shops and then selling them online at a profit. Really appreciate it if you hit the like button so more people can enjoy these videos.
Can you give me a thumbs up, Jimmy?
And to get it out into a wider audience. Let's get started with the first few items. All right, first item, we've got a SteelSeries Gamers keyboard. This one I picked up for, it was about $5 from the tip shop. SteelSeries, I think this one is one of the ones that lights up. It's that model, and it just sold for $30 plus 17 postage. I'm gonna have to get creative on the way I post this item because it's quite long and don't want to damage the keys, so nice little profit on that one. We're now moving over to some stuff I picked up for a friend, Johnny Boy. A couple of anime series. Went to a shop in Launceston and there was this guy's entire collection of anime movies, games. It was all from the same person, you could just tell. And there was so much of it. Box set after box set of anime series. These were priced high but under like eBay pricing. So I got Mad Lux, we got the Scarab, yeah, that one. Stupid. And Full Metal Panic. 35, 55, and $20 for John. Asked for a deal and I got this one for free. He said these ones are quite, well, that one especially is quite rare and hard to get now. They only did one print of them. Moving on, picked up this Levi's Strauss & Co. Small, very washed denim jacket. Got inspired when I watched, I think it was College Picker's video on denim jacket that he found for like $1.50 and then ended up flipping it to some guy in Japan for like $5,500 or $6,000. I'll leave the link of the video in the description below. It's a pretty cool video to watch and it inspired me to pick up this piece. This one was priced at I think about $7, maybe $10, and it just sold for $70 plus $15 shipping. And the next item is a Camelback Ladder. I got this one for $5. I actually picked up two of them. I had a story up on my Instagram. This I picked up from, yeah, Sorel Salvos for, yeah, $5, and it just sold for $80 plus 10 shipping. I've got the other one still to sell, but this one's moved on. Next item, this vintage Essendon, what do you call it, Polo long sleeve. Very old school, old AFL logo. That's the old AFL logo, just in case you want to know. And that's the old Essendon logo as well. Anything vintage like this, made out of cotton. Picked it up for $7 and it sold for $90 plus $10 shipping. So keep an eye out for vintage sportswear. Next item is Miami Heat Adidas NBA kids. They're like a junior, size 12. These ones I picked up, I cannot remember, probably about $7 or so. They're in one of the Launceston vlogs, linked in the description below if you want to check those out. This one sold for $30 with $10 postage, so not too bad there. Next item, a Adidas Climate Cool Supernova women's. This is a pink, one of the few women's things I've actually sold. Don't tend to pick up women's stuff because they're a little bit more picky when it comes to returns. This one sold for $15. I think I paid around the sort of $4 mark for this one. So not huge dollars of profit there. Postage was 10 on that one. Next item, we sold the black Supreme 6-panel SS19 Supreme hat. It's got a glitter finish to it. This one was a black one. I've got a gold one in reference to show you what it sort of looks like. From one of the actual Japan stores. I think it was one of the Tokyo stores. These ones I picked up in Japan for around the $90 range in the actual store, and this one sold for $149 and $10 shipping. Probably won't find this in op shops, but if you can pick it up in the actual stores and then flip it for a profit, I'd definitely recommend doing it. Made about $50 profit on that by bringing it back. Moving on, we sold a St. Kilda on-field polo. This one I picked up for, it was like $6 or $7, I cannot remember. Sold for for 28 plus $9 postage. Nice little polo there. Also AFL, we've got Adelaide Crows members polo team medium. That one sold for $19.95 plus $8 postage. This one I paid, I think, about $5 for. Picked up a sort of like a drop-proof Panasonic camera and delotted the collection, separating the charger, which sold for $11 plus $9. The battery and the camera all separately. It's a good way of making a little bit more on the side by splitting them all up. This sold for 11 plus 9. The camera in total cost me $10. So I've already paid off the camera with just the charger, and anything further now I sell will be profit. Sold a pair of Supreme Hanes socks. Picked up a pack of 4 for $50 in Japan. Check out the Japan vlogs on my channel if you want. I'll link them in the description down below. So sold a pair of them for $25 and $10 postage for the brand Supreme, which is like a high-end skate brand. This stuff sells crazy prices for, I don't know why, but it just does.
Stop it.
So yeah, $25 plus $10 for a pair of socks is crazy, but they sold regardless. Next item is a Minecraft Redstone handbook. This is $10 sold with a $9 postage. This one was, I think, from John sent it to me. I have no use for it, so it didn't cost me anything. This item sold the other day. This was a pair of Yeezy style men's shoes in a size 9. These sold for $35 and $15 postage. They are 100% fake. Didn't think they'd sell for much, but $35. I think they were originally $10 to $15. Thanks for watching. That was all the items I have sold in the last few months. Don't forget to hit the like button so more people can enjoy these videos. Comment down below if you found anything at the op shops, thrift shops, and sold it for a profit. I'd love to hear from you guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.